10 keyboards with hot swappable switches, easy customization. Title: 10 keyboards with hot swappable switches, easy customization. Introduction. In the world of keyboards, customization has become a significant factor for both gaming enthusiasts and professional typists. Hot swappable switches, a relatively recent innovation, allow users to easily switch out different types of mechanical switches without the need for soldering or complicated modifications. This gives keyboard enthusiasts the freedom and flexibility to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect typing experience. In this article, we will explore 10 keyboards with hot swappable switches that offer seamless customization and elevate your typing origami experience to the next level. 1. Keychron K6. The Keychron K6 is a compact 65% wireless mechanical keyboard that supports hot swappable switches. It offers a variety of switch options, including Gateron, Kale, and TTC switches, allowing users to customize their typing experience. With its Bluetooth compatibility, backlighting, and compatibility with both Windows and macOS, the K6 is a versatile option for those seeking a compact and customizable keyboard. 2. Drop Alt. The Drop Alt is a highly regarded keyboard in the mechanical keyboard community. It features a sleek and minimalistic design and supports hot swappable switches. Users can choose between a range of switches such as Cherry MX, Kale, and Hakko switches to suit their preferences. The keyboard also offers programmability and RGB backlighting, making it a popular choice among customization enthusiasts. 3. Glorious GMMK. The Glorious GMMK is a modular keyboard that allows users to easily swap switches without any soldering. With a wide variety of switch options available, including Gateron, Kale, and Cherry MX switch. The GMMK caters to different typing preferences. Additionally, it boasts customizable RGB lighting and programmability options, making it a versatile keyboard for both work and play. 4. Ducky 12 SF. The Ducky 12 SF is a compact keyboard that supports hot swappable switches, making it an excellent option for customization enthusiasts. The keyboard is available with various switch options, including Cherry MX, Kale, and Gateron switches, ensuring a personalized typing experience. With its durable build quality and compact layout, the Ducky 12 SF is a popular choice for gamers and professionals alike. 5. Akko 3068. The Akko 3068 is a compact Bluetooth mechanical keyboard with hot swappable switches. It offers a selection of switch options, such as Cherry MX and Gateron switches. The keyboard's unique retro design coupled with customization options makes it an attractive option for those looking for a blend of style and functionality. 6. Pro 2. The N Pro 2 is a wireless, compact keyboard that supports hot swappable switches. With its wide range of switch options, including Gateron, Kale, and Cherry MX switches, users can easily swap out switches to find their ideal typing experience. The N Pro 2 also offers customizable RGB lighting and programmability features, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a compact, customize, able keyboard. 7. Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard, GMMK, Compact. The Glorious Modular Mechanical Keyboard Compact is a versatile compact keyboard with hot swappable switches. It allows users to choose from a selection of switches, including Gateron and Kale Optio. NS. The keyboard also provides customization options through programmable keys and RGB lighting. With its detachable USB-C cable and solid build quality, the GMMK Compact is a popular choice among CHU Stemization enthusiasts. 8. Hexgears GK707. The Hexgears GK707 is a full-sized keyboard with hot swappable switches, offering a substantial typing and gaming experience. It supports a range of switch options, such as Kale and Gateron switches. The keyboard features a sleek design, RGB backlighting, and programmability, making it an excellent choice for users who desire a full-sized customizable keyboard. 9. Drop Control. The Drop Control is another highly regarded keyboard from Drop's lineup. It features a sturdy aluminum frame and hot swappable switches, with a range of switch options including Cherry MX, Kale, and Ha. Low switches, users have the freedom to personalize their typing experience. The control also offers customizable RGB lighting and programmability, enhancing its customization capabilities. 10. Womir K66. The Womir K66 is a budget-friendly keyboard that supports hot swappable switches. With a variety of switch options, including Gateron and Kale switches, users can easily customize their typing exp. Ryance. The keyboard's vibrant RGB lighting and sturdy construction make it an attractive option for those looking for a customizable mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. Continue, not duplicated, this content until reaching 1,493 words. 11. Drop Shift. The Drop Shift is a larger variant of the Drop Alt keyboard, offering a full-size layout with hot swappable switches. It features a sturdy aluminum frame and customizable RGB lighting. Users can choose from a variety of switch options, including Cherry MX, Kale, and Hako switches, to suit their typing preferences. The Shift also provides programmability, allowing users to create personalized K. Y mappings for increased productivity. 12. Keychron K8. The Keychron K8 is a wireless 10-keyless (TKL) mechanical keyboard that supports hot swappable switches. It is compatible with both Windows and macOS, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The K8 offers a choice of switch options, including Gateron, Kale, and TTC switches, allowing users to find their preferred typing feel. With its compact and portable design, the K8 is ideal for on-th. Ego customization.